Okay, in this demonstration I'm going to show you how you can create a new product record in WooCommerce. And to do that you need to start logged in as the administrator, which I've done already, and then go to the products entry in the left hand menu and choose add product. Now we're going to create a product with some funny names and descriptions, but this is so you can see where each field appears on the front end. So let's just call this my first product title. We'll put in here this is my product full description, and down here we'll put in this is my product short description. Okay, now let's go back up here and we can there's a number of product categories that you can choose. Simple, grouped, affiliate, variable, and so on. You're not interested in any of these at the moment, so just stick with the default simple product. Do not check either of those. This is for selling software and things like that people download rather than stuff like yours. The SKU is just a product code, stock keeping unit, so you can put whatever you want in there if you keep stock, otherwise just leave it blank. The regular price we'll set at $19.99. There's a sale price. Now this may be of interest to you. You could knock it down to say $15.99, and you can set a sale start date and an end date. So if, for example, you wanted to reduce the price of this for 3 days just to see how it went over a weekend, maybe when there's a fishing competition on or something, you could set it at $15.99 and then set the start and end dates quite simply like this. Okay. For now I would just recommend you just set the price. The other thing which is of use is the advanced tab. You can enable or disable reviews. Personally, I think you're asking for it if you enable reviews. You'll just get all and sundry, leaving all sorts of abusive rubbish on it if you're unlucky. So my recommendation is to disable that. Okay. Next thing we need is an image. So click on Set Featured Image, and you will see the existing images that I've already uploaded because I've started to build the website already. The simple way of doing it is just to click on an image that's in the library already and then click on Set Featured Image. But I'm going to make it just a little bit more difficult. We're going to upload a file. So click on Upload Files and then select Files. Now this is a folder that I've created on my PC. It's basically the images from your products from your old website. So let's select, what's this, an indicator set or something, open, and you see you don't have to do anything else, it just uploads itself. Just check that the file that you have actually uploaded is selected. We can change the title to something a little bit more plain English. Indicator set for course fishing on the Glen. Now why I say that is because these are all keywords that actually will be picked up hopefully by Google. So it's course fishing, River Glen. In fact, we could put in the River Glen there. Okay, and we'll copy that and then paste it into the alt tag. Okay, and then all you have to do is just click on the Set Featured Image, and there we go. Okay, click on Publish, and then View Product. And there we go. Now you can see why I've chosen things like my first product title and short description and so on, you can see that your title appears there, obviously, and there's your short description. So that's where you really want to keep the short description down to maybe a couple of lines, 2 or 3 lines, okay? And then the full description comes down here. Now this is where you can optimize it, for Google, or go some way towards optimizing it for Google. And in there you could have 2 or 3 paragraphs, a description of the item itself, maybe how you use it, the success you've had, and again using key phrases and words like coarse fishing, river glen, surf fleet, whatever, glenside tackle, just your keywords basically. Okay, so that's it. That is it's as simple as that, really. Okay.